Hello guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best portable washer for camping on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 5 Danby Compact Top Load Washer. Introducing the Danby Compact Top Load Washer, a perfect companion for those seeking a powerful and space-efficient laundry solution. Designed with the modern home in mind, this washer boasts an array of features that bring convenience and efficiency to your laundry routine. With a size of 0.9 feet, the Danby Compact Top Load Washer is tailored for spaces where every square inch matters. Whether you're residing in an apartment, a cozy home, or a small living area, this washer fits seamlessly into your environment without compromising on performance. Generous washing capacity. Don't let its compact size fool you. This washer offers a significant washing capacity of 6.6 pounds, 3 kgs, allowing you to tackle both everyday loads and more substantial laundry tasks. The inner tub volume of 0.9 feet to 5L ensures that each load is efficiently cleaned, giving you the freedom to maintain your wardrobe with ease. Diverse washing cycles for every need, the Danby Compact Washer boasts 5 convenient washing cycles to cater to a variety of laundry requirements. Number 4 Magic Chef Washer Washing Machine. Experience the ultimate ease in laundry care with the Magic Chef Compact Top Load Washer Washing Machine. This compact wonder is designed to simplify your laundry routine and provide you with clean clothes in no time. Discover the features that make this washer a must-have addition to any household. Powerful pulsator for consistent cleanliness. Say goodbye to uneven washing results. The Magic Chef Compact Washer comes equipped with a pulsator that generates both strong and weak water flows, ensuring that every garment receives an even wash. No more worries about tangled clothes or uneven detergent distribution. Convenience at every step. The convenience of this washer doesn't stop when the cycle ends. It features an automatic shut-off function that activates once the cycle is complete, adding an extra layer of convenience to your laundry routine. The auto unbalance detection and safety shut-off mechanisms further enhance the machine's reliability, ensuring your laundry is cleaned with precision. Quick Connect Kit for easy setup. Setting up the Magic Chef Compact Washer is a breeze, thanks to the included Quick Connect Kit that effortlessly links the washer to your faucet. Additionally, casters and adjustable legs make placement and level installation a hassle-free task, ensuring stability during operation. Number 3 Scrubba Portable Wash Bag. Introducing the Scrubba Portable Wash Bag, your perfect travel companion for maintaining clean clothes wherever your adventures take you. This innovative foldable hand washing machine is designed to revolutionize the way you do laundry while on the go. Discover the features that make the Scrubba Wash Bag an essential item for travelers, campers, and eco-conscious individuals. Ingenious design for quick results. The Scrubba Portable Wash Bag features a patented washboard in a bag design that delivers a machine-quality wash in just a matter of minutes. This means you can enjoy the luxury of clean clothes no matter where you are. Ideal for hotels, hostels, camping trips, backpacking escapades, dorm rooms, RV journeys, and even scout excursions, the Scrubba Wash Bag ensures that cleanliness is always within your reach. Compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel. Weighing in at an impressive 5.3 ounces and folding down to pocket-sized dimensions, the Scrubba Wash Bag proudly claims the title of the world's smallest washing machine. Number 2 Auertech Portable Washing Machine. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier with the innovative Auertech Portable Washing Machine. This compact yet powerful appliance is designed to make washing and drying clothes a breeze, whether you're in a cramped apartment, a dormitory, an RV, or any space-conscious environment. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine is equipped with not one, but 2 separate tubs, an ingenious design that allows you to wash and spin-dry your clothes concurrently. No more waiting around for one cycle to finish before starting the next. This efficient dual tub design is perfect for managing smaller loads quickly and effectively. The compact and lightweight build ensures it fits seamlessly into any bathroom or closet. Powerful performance for rapid results. With a robust 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, this mini washer means business. Your clothes are cleaned thoroughly and efficiently, saving you both time and energy. The washing tub can accommodate up to 18 pounds, while the spin cycle handles 10 pounds. A transparent window provides you with a front row seat to the washing and spinning process. Plus, the machine's smart design ensures it conserves water and reduces consumption, all while leaving your hands free for other tasks. Flexible drainage and adjustable inlet hose. Number 1 BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier with the cutting-edge BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. This remarkable appliance is not only compact in size, but it's also loaded with features that make laundry a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of lugging your clothes to the laundromat or dealing with complex washing machines. Tired of washing all your clothes together? The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a remarkable solution with its 5-cycle selections. Whether you're dealing with heavy-duty fabrics, delicate garments, or regular day-to-day loads, this portable washer has you covered. Choose from heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak cycles to ensure your laundry gets the specialized care it deserves. It's not just about cleaning clothes, it's about preserving their quality and lifespan. Impressive functionality tailored to your needs, this portable washer isn't just limited to its cycle selections. With 3 water level choices, small, medium, and large, you can cater to the size of your load without wasting water. Cold water temperature settings provide further flexibility to suit your fabric's requirements. What's more, the Delay Start feature, offering a 24-hour window, lets you plan your laundry around your schedule. Its convenience at your fingertips, stainless steel tub for durability and performance. The heart of any washing machine is its tub, and the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer boasts a robust 0.9 cu ft stainless steel tub. This tub not only resists rust and corrosion, but also ensures your clothes are treated with care. The top-loading transparent lid gives you a window into the cleaning process thanks to the innovative impeller washer design. Witness your clothes being cleaned in real time without lifting a finger. Advanced features for peace of mind, safety, and performance are paramount. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.